Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do quadratic regression with the TI-nspire in a different way. So I'm going to go to a list and spreadsheet page and I'm going to enter my data. So I've got the X values of 1 through 10 and I've got the corresponding Y values of 190, 250, 400, 325, 475, 360, 305, 255, 191, and 123. And now I'm going to go all the way up to the top of the page and I'm going to tag these. I can call them X and Y, or I can use what's right here in my data and I can actually type week and values. So I'm going to type week and then tab over to the next one and type values. Now, the next thing that I want to do is, first of all, let's make sure that one of our pieces of data is highlighted here. If you are over here, it's not going to work. So we want to be within the data. And the next thing I want to do is go to the magical menu button. And last time we went to data. This time we're going to go to statistics and we're going to go to stat calculations. And oops, I clicked on the wrong thing. I clicked on linear regression. So once again, magical menu, statistics, stat calculations, and we're going to choose quadratic regression. For the X list, I'm going to click on this little arrow and choose week. For the Y list, I'm going to click on this little arrow and choose values. Now, this is what's really cool about this method. We have save regression equation 2, and then it's got F1 selected. I could change that. I could choose whatever I wanted. I'm going to leave it at F1. And then I'm just going to click OK or hit Enter on my keypad. And now I've got all of this extra information here. But what's the most important thing is that here's my regression equation right here. All of this stuff is right here. I've got my A value of negative 11.8371, my B value of 118.596, C value of 90.85, and I want to see that on a graph. So I'm going to go Control Doc, add a graph, and notice it automatically starts me at F2. That's because I've got my regression equation in F1. So I'm going to hit Enter. It graphs. And even though it looks like a line, I can go to the magical menu button and go to Window Zoom and Zoom Fit. And it kind of gives me that parabolic shape. I've got that parabola. And here is the equation. It's rounding to the nearest tenth, which is kind of cool. And we can also go to Control T and we've got a table of values.